Alright, what's up guys? Good morning or good night wherever you are around the world. I'm currently walking over to the shop right now to pick up my Rx8. And just for a little context, in case you guys didn't see the last video, is that snow? What the hell? Why is there snow in the middle of May? But in the last video, it was discovered that I have a little coolant leak on my radiator hoses. So I have picked up brand new radiator hoses from Mazda themselves, you know, OEM dealer part, because I couldn't find any aftermarket ones, and they're being installed right now. And as usual, you know, I'm running a bit late. I still have to make it to work, and I'm picking up my car right now 30 minutes before work, so you know, it's not great. But yeah, I'll explain further, but we're coming up on the shop right now, so hopefully everything is done and I could just pick up my car and we could go.
Yeah, what happened, we routed everything back under now.
Yeah.
Look, so it's no longer coming from the top, it's actually riding through the frame down here now with the sensor. It's solidly mounted now. And once we did that and bled the system, it's actually a lot better now. You're not gonna have any issues, but that's good.
That's good. Yeah, we don't want coolant leaks.
Yeah,
Coolant leaks are bad if you guys don't know. Hey guys, so I just got back in my car. I'm making my way to work right now. I'm running late as usual, you know. I feel like at this point I just gotta put on my channel banner because I'm running late to everything. Like, you know, late to my events, late to shows, you know, late to work, you know, everything. So at this point, it's my motto at this point. But yeah, the car is running good. I'm not really feeling any issues of it. Not that I was before the coolant leak anyways. So I think everything is fine. Only concern I have right now is that I'm smelling a little bit of coolant, and it could be because they did a coolant bleed earlier today. So it could still be like stuff left in the system, or like stuff on the tray, you know, just burning off right now. So hopefully that's what I'm smelling. But the best comparison I have to what that smells like is kind of like a burning rubber glove. So it's like really earthy. It's kind of, is this car trying to merge? Yeah, all right. So yeah, I'm just rushing to work right now. There's a little bit of traffic, so that kind of sucks. I should still make it on time, like right on time, so I should be fine. But yeah guys, driving New York City is just not fun. But I am reminded of how good this car sounds, though. I haven't driven it in like 2 days, you know, because it was sitting at the shop, and now I'm back in it. I'm just like, oh, it sounds so good. And then I look at the gas needle and I'm like, shit, I still gotta get gas. So yeah, that's fun. But yeah, I'm rushing to work right now, so I'm not gonna record much else of this. But yeah, I'll update you guys after work though. Alright, what's up guys? So I was originally gonna film something after work, but honestly I was just so tired after work. I didn't feel like doing anything, so here I am. The car is, you know, fixed now, so there's nothing really more that I want to do than to actually go for a little drive. I'm not gonna head up the mountain though, not at this time. Nothing crazy like that today, but I do feel like going for a little cruise around the highway, and I thought, you know, be a little fun video. And I bought my GoPro as well, so we could actually do some POV driving, which I haven't done in a long time. So I thought it'd be fun to actually, you know, experiment with that a little bit today. If I could find my GoPro. Okay, yeah, I think I got it. Here it is. Yep. So we're gonna go do that real quick. Just gonna let the car warm up a little bit. But yeah, Starbucks has been, like, if you guys don't know, I work part-time at a Starbucks, but it's been kind of crazy because everything I feel like is just broken recently. Like our ice machine's broken, our sticker machine is broken. Like, I don't know how our store is still open to be honest, but yeah, it's just stressful. But anyways, a good way to get rid of stress is by driving, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Car's warming up a little bit. It's actually already good to go, so probably gonna go do that right now. I'm just gonna do a little cruise around the highway, and it'll be fun to hear, like, you know, the exhaust crackle and stuff like that at night as well. And I wonder how that's gonna sound on POV, since I haven't done anything like this since I got the new exhaust. So it'll be exciting. It will be fun to see what that's like. But yeah, I'm gonna get situated and we're out. Alright guys, so we're on the highway now. I switched over to my GoPro. Whoa, what's going on here? Alright, that guy was, I don't know what he was doing, but I'm on my GoPro now. Hopefully the audio isn't too bad. I don't know how well, honestly, the GoPro picks up audio, but the car is like burbling a lot, and honestly it just sounds so cool like that. I don't know if the GoPro picks that up, but there's a lot of burble when I let off the gas. Like, I'm gonna just be quiet right here, right? Okay, it didn't do it that time, but yeah, it didn't. Okay, it's kind of random when it does it, but it was burbling a lot earlier, and I'm like, wow, that sounds pretty cool. Like, I like that sound, so I thought that was really interesting. But I'm not sure how good the GoPro is at capturing the little noises like that. But yeah, I'm really liking this exhaust, guys. Like, the more I've been driving around with it, the less I want to put a resonator on it. But it is kind of loud, so it's like, I feel like I should put a resonator on it because I don't want to get in trouble in New York City, obviously. But I don't know, it just sounds so good. Also, it's been a while since I've done like a POV video like this. Let me know what you guys think of these in the comment section below. Is it like, do you prefer these or do you prefer the 360 videos that I've been recording? Honestly, I kind of miss doing like a video like this, but at the same time, it's not the most comfortable thing to do because I have to wear obviously a camera on my head, so you know, it's not the funnest thing in the world. But I really like, this channel kind of essentially started with POV stuff, so you know, it does bring back some memories. While we're chilling in some traffic right here, right? One thing that I feel like most people don't know the Rx8 could do is, like, you see the dash, right? Right now it's in its regular mode, but you could actually switch it over to like a night mode where everything turns red. I'm not sure which one I like better, to be honest, because I mean, obviously this is like fine, right? It's classic. I like the look of this one, but you could also switch it to the night mode, and honestly this just looks, it matches with the rest of the color scheme of the car really well, and I like this a lot more. The only thing is it gets a lot dimmer, which isn't really an issue during the day. I mean during the night, but during the day you can't really see this. But then I guess you could just switch back to this during the day. But which one do you guys prefer, the red version or the white version? But honestly, right now looking at it, I prefer the red one. And yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Which one do you prefer? I don't know if you guys hear that. The car is like burbling a lot at lower speeds. I'm not sure how good the GoPro is. I don't know how good the GoPro is at capturing that. Like right there. Man, I just need to stick a camera at the exhaust, to be honest. I need to have like an exhaust camera. But yeah, it's burbling a lot. I mean, it's not like that super loud, obnoxious like burble that like you hear in like BMWs and stuff like that. It's kind of like a light burble. It's like, I don't know how to, like, oh, it just happened. I think I talked over it. Today would honestly be a pretty good day to use the 360 camera, to be honest. Oh. But today would honestly be a pretty good day to use the 360 camera so I can see if the car shoots flames at night. But I was just too lazy to go home and grab the camera setup. Whoa. What is that? That didn't even sound good, honestly. What the hell? That's an Audi? What happened here? Is that an accident? Oh man. Like, what? What the hell is that sound? Nah, tell me not. You can't. No way that sounds good to you guys. It's like a fart can. resonator delete and a muffler delete if I ever heard one. What's this Honda doing? Alright guys, thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. I really can't stress how much I appreciate you guys for watching it to the very end. The Rx8 is fixed now, no more coolant leaks, thank God, and that little coolant smell that I was smelling earlier in the day disappeared when I drove at night. So I don't think it was like a persistent coolant leak. It was probably just residual coolant that was still hanging around in the engine bay and it burned off, and I don't smell it anymore, so that's good. Aside from that, the car's running fine again. I can't wait to do a little bit more. Wait to do more driving. I'm still getting used to the exhaust. I'm still like, you know, feeling pretty good about it every time I drive the car, so that's cool. My cat's just over here bumping to my leg. It's like, you want to be on the video too, Mona? Yeah? Okay, but what was I saying? I don't remember. But yeah, the car's running fine now, so, you know, I'm really happy about that. There's not much else that I really need to do to the car at the moment. There are some stuff that I want to do, like modification wise, but I'm not going to spoil it in this video just yet, just because I'm not 100% certain which direction I want to take. But, you know, stuff is coming. I also want to do a lot more driving videos this summer. With the summer coming up, I can't wait to drive in the mountains with my friends, you know, in their cars, and, you know, just all of us getting our cars like better and together, and that's just what I'm looking forward to. Just a little sneak peek, there might be some Yadas there might be some Porsches there might be some, you know, American Muscle there. So, you know, just a lot of stuff coming in the summer, and I just can't wait to like actually just drive with my friends, and maybe potentially even drive with some of you guys. I have like a really big trip that I'm potentially thinking about taking in the summer. I've mentioned it before, and I'm just planning that like logistic out right now, and I'm really excited for it. And I think that series of video is going to be like the biggest thing I do on my channel, so I'm really looking forward to that. So hopefully you guys could look forward to it as well. It's going to be a really long road trip in my Rx8 to somewhere really cool. I've mentioned it before. It's going to be, I might as well just say, it's going to be to the Tail of the Dragon. Planning that out right now, and potentially maybe meet some of you guys there and have fun driving that trail with you guys. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the summer. I say that as if it's so far away, but like think about it, like it's literally next month. So, you know, there's a lot of planning I need to do and not a lot of time to actually get things planned. But yeah, I'm just a lot of things to look forward to, and you know, really appreciating you guys for like making, you know, for inspiring me to make these videos, and you know, just really appreciate you guys for just watching stuff that I make. Yeah. But anyways, I rambled for long enough. Thank you guys so much for watching, man. I really can't tell you guys how much I really appreciate it. And until the next video, guys, stay safe out there, drive safely, you know, just have fun, alright? Peace.